everyone, I'm Cindy.
I'm Debbie.
And we are Sisters in Stitches, and we
Sisters
have,
in real life. Even if we don't want to be.
Yes, and we have
have
plenty
those
of
days.
You know, okay, so this is my Dia & Co.
D&Co.
D&Co box. And I got another new stylist. And it was okay. I don't even remember what I asked for, to be honest with you. So let's just jump right into it. The first thing I got was, this is by Maribel. And it's got a pretty big print. I'll tell you what I did like about it. I like the yoke in the front. It's kind of slimming, but it's a bit tight. What do you call it when the shirt hangs over your butt? A shelf? A wagon shelf?
A wagon hider.
But it wasn't a wagon hider.
When it shelves like that, it just accentuates your
wagon.
wagon.
And that's what this shirt
then
did
it looks
for
like
me.
a caboose.
And you know, and you know what's funny is this shirt I actually got in a Dia box.
I actually thought that looked good on her until she turned around and you could see the shelf. You don't mind if it hugs your butt a little bit, but
Yeah.
you don't want a net where you could put a dinner plate.
Yeah, like I could set someone's drink on my butt, you know, because there's a shelf from this shirt. Here, let me get that for you. Where's my drink? Oh, here it is. Anyway,
Cindy does not have a shelf like that. We're just teasing.
in this shirt, I did. But anyway, they sent me this exact blouse. It was a different cut.
I don't like it because
Yeah.
elastic sleeves.
So I'm not real sure about this. This one is definitely going back because they sent me this shirt before and I sent it back. And this one, this shelfer is got a shelf life of none. All right.
I actually like this shirt. I like the way it
And how
fit
much
you.
was that shirt? Did we talk
A
about
shelf
that?
shirt.
The shelf shirt. It's
Who was
by
this by?
Maribel.
By Maribel. It was $59. I mean, that's kind of pricey for
For a shirt I don't
a
like.
random shirt that you're going to wear a couple times a season.
All right, and this is by Bobo. Bobo, yes.
Bobo.
And it's a sleeveless top. Now, it's pretty wild print.
Wait, it's by who?
Bobo. Be curvy or something.
Oh, that's what it is.
Yeah.
Be curvy. Okay. It retails for $59 again. But I like this shirt. Would be a fun summer shirt. And it fit her nice. Because you know what? It's got pleating in the back, which gives you the extra room for the girls. So you don't have that pulling. It's nice. I really like the way
I don't
it's
know. You know,
ruffled.
my girls were the ones that were actually filming this on me, and even they said, that looks kind of
I
something
liked it.
Grandma would wear.
I liked it. I think
So,
it's really cute. With
let
a
me
white
know.
jean jacket and white capri pants, that would look so cute. With little white tennis shoes or sandals. I would do it.
All right, let me know what you guys think, because my initial reaction, it fit me okay. I didn't mind the fit at all, but it's a $59 tank top.
It's not a tank top. It's a blouse.
It's a blouse.
It's a sleeveless blouse.
Let me know what you guys think of the print. I just think it's a little matronly for my taste, but I'm not.
She's wrong.
All right.
She's wrong.
All right, so I need help on this one. And I also need help on this. This is a jacket by Kiona, if I'm saying that right. And it's a very soft, cottony
Yeah, it's really
jacket.
soft. And so he's like, I think this is too heavy for summer. But I said, what about when you're always crabbing and when you're freezing in the office? That would be a great, pair that up with a blousier, like a blousier plain shirt. And you can take that off when you leave the office, but it'd look great in the office. And it makes her, it slims her down.
Yeah, the arms were really tight, but
But
daughter,
it still looked really good.
Yeah.
It thinned her down.
Yeah, I'm just not, again, I'm not sure about this because it just is a weird weight. And my daughter says, Mom, that would look really good as a maxi dress. I like the print. I'm just not sure that I like it in a jacket style. So Debbie said it made me look thinner. My daughter said it made me look thinner. Maybe I should buy like 4 of them. So let me know what you guys think. So the red shirt and that Debbie liked. I'm not too crazy about.
I like those two.
We'll
Once you see the other two pieces, I'll tell you those are the best two pieces in the box.
All right, now this one I know is going back. What did you say? It's
It
by
looks
Daniel
like
Raine.
and I usually like Daniel Raine. He has nice shirts. I just bought a white one from him for like $68 in my last box. But this one looks like you knocked down the homeless person and stole his shirt from the, Salvation.
This reminds me of something like my dad would have worn, like back in the 70s, early 70s.
But I don't like that it's so busy in the front, and then you turn it around and it's just bleh, bleh.
What I don't like,
and the cap sleeves. And all you women out there with heavier arms, you know when you wear cap sleeves, it makes your arms look even heavier.
it does. And I the one thing I don't like is like this little paisley type print, even though it's just in spots. And then of course, when you turn around and it's the knit, the stretchy knit.
Klingons.
Just call it cling wrap, because that's what it is on me, seriously.
Cinch wrap.
So, and how much was this, Daniel Raine? If it was cinch wrap, I'd buy
That's
10.
his nickname, Cinch. Cinch wrap. $65. $65 for that shirt.
Yeah, that's a no-go.
Yeah, that's a no-go.
Now, my daughters love this dress on me. This is by London Times.
It's only $59. So for a price point on a dress, $59 is not bad. And I did think it looked nice on Cindy.
So can you see all the different colors in it? Now, what I did like about it, I did like the neckline because it's not really a halter, but kind of gives that look of a halter. I like the high waistline because it actually made me look like I got a waist. But what I'm not crazy about, which you can help me with, is if you notice in the try-on portion, there's a big, huge flower in the front, and then when I turn around, there's a big, huge flower in the back.
I didn't notice that until she said, and then I started
really?
looking right at it. When you look at it, it looks like one, just one. You don't single out the flower. I thought it would look nice on her. I did.
So, I don't know. What do you guys think? I love wearing maxi dresses in the summer.
Well, and I like the black background of it. It really makes the dress pop.
Yeah, and I do like wearing maxi dresses in the summer because it keeps you cool because you don't have anything on your legs. So when you're really hot, you can sit at your desk, lift it up, and go, woo! But, yeah, and you can just kind of wear them anywhere. I've worn them to Cubs games. I wear maxi dresses everywhere in the summer. But I know, Debbie doesn't wear dresses. So let me know what you guys think. This is the possibility for me. This purple Daniel Raine $60-some shirt, no go. This, I know she's saying yes, but I'm saying no.
She doesn't have anything like this in her wardrobe.
Vote. I will go with the vote on this. And I will go with the vote on this.
She likes roses, she likes pink, and it makes her look thinner. Why not?
And I'm sorry, my shelf.
That's nice, but the
shelfie shirt.
The tray on the back of her body to serve drinks.
I don't mind serving drinks, but I prefer to do it on a tray in front of me. Not on a tray in back of me.
So she kept all the pieces. The box comes to $286.
Wait, hold on.
Oh, wait.
Well, I did. She reminded me what I asked for in this. I asked for a pink fix.
Well, I guess there's pink and
pink roses in a navy. There's pink kind of in here. There's kind of
But
pink.
remember, the picking is slim right now because of COVID, so you got to kind of just deal with the boxes as you get them. So before I was so rudely cut off, the total box, if you bought all the pieces, is $286. You pay a styling fee of $20, which they take off the price. And then with the 25% off, that's $71.50. So the box, if she bought all 5 pieces, is $194.50, which is still kind of up there for the pieces that they sent.
Yeah, but I mean, there is a Daniel Raine in there, which I don't like. So I don't know. It's just, there's nothing. I do like the dress. So I'll probably keep the dress, which was, remind me again?
$59. So that's not bad. $20
I might
off,
keep the
$49
dress, but
$39 you would have to
you guys
pay.
have to let me know on the tops because I just, maybe
They're
it looks
pricey.
better.
They're pricey. They're kind of pricey for
what
they are.
Yeah.
And so if you want to use your 20, I would go with the dress.
Yeah, I think it might just be the dress unless there's this overwhelming response of, oh my gosh, no, you have to get that pink top. It looked awesome on you.
I mean, it wasn't knocked down.
But for the price, honestly, for the price, I just knowing, and so many of you are going to say, if you don't love it, don't get it. And I really don't.
She shouldn't, because you should see. One of these days, I'm gonna make Cindy go down and film her closet so you can see.
They kind of did in the
No,
tour.
I mean you
home.
should see it. It's getting bigger.
That was just my winter wardrobe.
Yeah,
I'm now
she's got what you saw in that video. She's got that again for spring and summer.
So I think I might just be going with the dress, because I can already hear all of you saying, if you don't love it, don't get it. And I really don't. I want to, because I love clothes, and then I think, well, I can make it work. I can make it work. I'll never pull for it. I will never pull for this jacket. I just won't, because of the material. It's just kind of,
Then
it's
get rid of
so
it.
soft.
Just get rid of it. So you have all Cindy's pieces. We don't want to keep you on forever because we have a million videos to make.
Anyway, we have quite a few more videos to do, and thank you for those. We got some new subscribers. We're inching our way to 3,000. We've got a little less than 200 to go.
So
And
if
we're so
you're watching us
happy.
for the first time, go ahead and press the subscribe button.
Yeah.
We'll wait. We'll wait. Take your time.
Yeah, it's not going to cut the video out, and we're trying to shorten our videos, so the faster you hit the subscribe button, the faster we can go.
Did you do it? Okay.
All right.
Now, if you really want to know when we put some videos out, you can hit the notify button as
Yes.
well, and you'll know when we put out a new video.
And if we made you smile, give us a thumbs up.
And
so
if we
that
didn't,
know.
and you gave us a thumbs down, have the guts to tell us why. Don't just hit it the thumbs down. Let us know. Was it content or was it us?
Yeah.
Was it the merchandise or was it us? And then
All
tell
right.
us why you didn't like us.
Absolutely. We
But-
might cut down on the... Anyway.
I mean, either way, it's good for us because it still means you're watching it, but
Yeah.
that means you might not watch the next one. We'd like to know why. All right, we got another box to get to, so thank you for tuning in, and we will see you in the next video.
All right. Bye, Red.
Bye.